The super creamy and delicious egg curry is simple and very easy to make. So let's begin. In a pot, add some water, add onions, green chilies and cashew. Now bring this to a boil. Boil it for not more than 5 minutes, just for the onions to get soft. Once the onions are soft, keep this mixture aside. Now in a pan, add oil, add cardamom, cinnamon sticks, clove, maize flour, star anise and pepper seeds. Now once they start sizzling, add the onion paste and saute it well. Now add some ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add salt as per taste, some black pepper powder, time to put in the hero ingredient of our dish, that is the eggs. In goes the eggs and we cook it for some more time. Now add in some garam masala and give it a mix. Add kasuri methi. You can completely skip it if you do not like kasuri methi. Once this is done, cover the curry with a lid and let it simmer for some time. After 2-3 minutes, open the lid and then add in some coriander leaves. So here you go, the tasty delicious egg curry is ready. You can serve it with rotis, rice, naan, anything of your choice. Enjoy. So if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.